Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight with a new video and a new topic. Our today's video is what document is required for export custom clearance. If you want to export cargo from UAE, then what is requirement of documents? Please note, first of all you need invoice of related cargo and invoice must be on your company's letterhead. Second requirement is packing list. In invoice you have to mention all your cargo details and its value. In packing list, you need to put details about what kind of packing of your cargo, like it is pallet, bundle, boxes or any other type of packaging. Except packaging information, you have to write about cargo weight. You must mention gross and net weight in packing list. Once you will ready these both documents, you have to take advice from shipping line, and according to shipping line advice, you have to pass bill of entry. When your custom bill of entry will be approved, you can export your cargo from UAE. You do not need any other document except these two, which is invoice and packing list. Normally, only two documents are required and pass custom bill of entry and export your cargo. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative video. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in description box. Thank you.